It's Mike with AI Toolbox and Reviews. Welcome to the High Five, where each week I feature 5 new AI tools for all of you to check out. This is volume 4. If you haven't checked out any of the first 3, check out my YouTube channel. There's several videos on there in addition to the first 3 high fives that are all about new AI tools and helping us navigate all the dozens that come out seemingly every single day. I'm really excited about today's high five. Stick around, especially for the 5th one. It's a really powerful tool that you're going to be able to use in conjunction with ChatGPT. And I always include a bonus 6th AI tool that's a lot of fun to check out. If you want to check out any of these tools further, there's always links to these in the description below. If you like the video, I hope you subscribe and I hope you hit that like button. So welcome to the High Five Volume 4. Let's go ahead and dive in.
1. TrendSpider, technical analysis software to help you make smarter, more strategic trading decisions. With TrendSpider you can use the following features. Use 50+ years of market data to test, refine and improve any strategy you come up with or come across online. Put charting and scanning on autopilot. Cover more ground in less time with a fully integrated set of tools all in one platform. Trade planning and analysis tools powered by algorithms, formulas and math, not gut feelings. Outsource the weighting to the cloud with dynamic price alerts and automated trading bots. The best thing about TrendSpider is you don't have to be an experienced trader to get started. They have a vast array of videos and courses you can take to learn and get started quickly with your 7-day free trial. 2. Jobscan helps job seekers optimize their resumes for specific job postings and applicant tracking systems. Have an existing resume? Jobscan analyzes your resume and the job description and gives you feedback on how to improve your resume keywords, data, and format. Need a resume built? Jobscan has that too. Use the resume builder to quickly build an optimized resume. It also uses artificial intelligence to match your resume keywords with your work history. Get more attention from the jobs and companies you really want with LinkedIn profile optimization. 3. Tabnine, code faster with whole line and full function code completions. Whether you're part of a team or a developer working on your own, Tabnine will help you write code faster, all in your favorite IDE. Tabnine uses generative AI technology to predict and suggest your next lines of code. It suggests code completions that align with your coding patterns to keep you in the flow. Tabnine is available in the most popular languages and niche languages too. 4. Scrip AI, 10 times faster way to write short video scripts. With Scrip AI you can make 30 to 60 second long, short video scripts 10 times faster than traditional tools using the power of AI. Just enter your video title, a short description, and some optional keywords. Just choose your language, tone, and time, and click Generate Script and you're done. Awesome! Attention getting scripts for your videos in minutes. 5. Quillbot, AI paraphraser, grammar checker, co-writer, summarizer, citation generator, and translator. 7 tools in one. Perfect for all your copywriting and generative writing needs. Paraphraser will paraphrase and rewrite your text. Start by writing or pasting something, choosing one of 6 modes, and then clicking paraphrase. Grammar checker, use Quillbot's free grammar checker tool to find and correct grammar, spelling, and punctuation errors. The online sentence checker helps you avoid mistakes and polish your writing so that your ideas shine instead of your typos. Co-writer, use AI to paraphrase, summarize, research, and more with one tool that supercharges your writing workflow with built-in grammar checking and citations. Summarizer, Quillbot's summarizer can condense articles, papers, or documents down to the key points instantly. The AI uses natural language processing to locate critical information while maintaining the original context. Citation generator. This is for you students. Quillbot allows you to easily create ARPA, MLA, and Chicago-style full and in-text citation. The free citation generator is a fast, reliable way to make citations for essays, presentations, and other projects. Translator. Enjoy completely free translation. Use the power of AI to translate text quickly and accurately in over 30 languages. French, Spanish, German, Italian, Russian, and more. Plagiarism checker. Perfect for all the new generative AI software like ChatGPT. Quillbot's plagiarism checker analyzes whether any section of your text did not properly attribute authorship to content already published on the web or in books, research papers, academic papers, or news sources. Bonus tool, ChefGPT. Say goodbye to boring meals. With AI-powered recipe recommendations, meal plans creation and more. ChefGPT provides AI-powered recipe recommendations based on the ingredients that are available. You can select the ingredients you have, the kitchen tools you have, how much time is available to you, and your level of cooking skills. Choose any of the 5 different chef modes. such as Pantry Chef or Meal Plan Chef, and allow ChefGPT to do the recipe and meal planning for you. You can even choose the Pair Perfect mode to pair food and drinks to take your meals to the next level.